Once upon a time, there was an angry bird that would not die, and its name was Occupy Wall Street.
So I was playing Angry Birds this morning, and all of a sudden, one of my little red birds came back to life, and it wouldn't die. And I said to myself, I think I'll add this clip into the video I'm trying to edit for Peter. It's the Douchebag Song.
On a holy mission.
Douchebag scumbag on a holy mission. Douchebag scumbag.
Squash the opposition.
That's not nice.
Yes, sir.
He hacks you. He's hacking. He's hacking. Yes, sir.
Now they're gonna find the crankman and the clink. The Crips cop is mine. Yes, sir. Here comes the judges and they're dropping the charge. Here comes the judges and they're dropping the charge. Here comes the judges and drop the charge. Voted 5-4. He still has not. Yes, sir. Someday justice will prevail. Maybe someday justice will prevail. Maybe someday justice will prevail. Maybe a pig will fly out of my tail. Yes, sir.